Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Inner MBBS wishes you a superb happy Raksha Bandhan. Hope you're celebrating and कितनी प्यारी प्यारी राखियाँ आती हैं ना बाज़ार में. There's so many beautiful colorful rakis and the whole market is just shining and blooming and there's lots of love, sweets and I hope you are enjoying well. This Raksha Bandhan I want you to celebrate in a little different way. Tie this rakhi to yourself. You tie the rakhi to yourself. Let's tie the rakhi to ourselves. Why? Because let's pledge that I am going to protect myself from myself. Yes, हमें खुद की रक्षा करनी है खुद से. हमें we don't need to protect ourselves from the world around because we are enough to bring ourselves down. It's not the world who is bringing us down, it's the we. Our negative thinking, our inner chatter, our self-sabotage, constant blaming, criticizing to ourselves that I have not done this, I could not do this, what if I could have done better, and so many inner chatter that we are constantly criticizing ourselves. We think that I'm not good enough, I have not done enough, I could not get this, why is this person not doing this. We feel that low, right? Let's protect ourselves from this negative cassette which is playing in our minds, because if we do not protect ourselves from ourselves, then no Raksha Bandhan is going to help you. So let's protect ourselves. हमें अपनी रक्षा करनी है अपने आप से, हमें खुद की रक्षा करनी है खुद से. और जब हम अपनी रक्षा करना सीख जाएंगे, when we learn to protect ourselves, to love ourselves, to value ourselves, to respect ourselves, that's the true Raksha Bandhan that you will celebrate for your life. So this Raksha Bandhan, gift yourself this beautiful Rakhi with a pledge that I pledge to protect myself from myself. Yes. And then of course you go and celebrate ahead with your brother, sister and enjoy this journey. But remember, let's pledge to protect ourselves. Let's pledge to protect our mind, body, breath and soul, because if we do not protect that, nobody else can protect. You remember in the flight they give the instructions, पहले अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें and then दूसरों की रक्षा करने से पहले अपनी रक्षा करें. So before helping others, first put on your mask and then help others. So ऐसे ही हमें अपनी रक्षा करनी है और फिर हम दूसरों की रक्षा कर सकते हैं. हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन.